session, I will interact with you guys. Okay, for your doubt clarification. So first here we are going to discussing about the Python language, guys. About the Python language we are going to discussing. In this Python language, so about this Python language related, we are going to discussing Python language related
ତାଦେହରେ
courses,
କିଛି ପିଲା
concepts,
କହିଲେଣି ଆଉ
and also
ସାର୍ ସ୍ପିକ୍ ଇନ୍
database
ହିନ୍ଦୀ।
related, guys. So database related also we are going to discussing Python with database communication. So we have so many popular databases like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, like several databases we have. So any one database we'll discuss. So in our class, MySQL DB related, I will explain it. I mean, so Python related, most of the tutorials or YouTube videos you will get Python with MySQL communication related only. Java based tutorials, Java with Oracle discussing as Python tutorials, Python with MySQL DB discussing. Okay, .NET related, .NET with SQL Server DB discussing. That's why here also we're going to discussing with MySQL DB. Then easily you can understanding. And later any other databases, whatever you want, you can interact with that one, no problem. Okay, Nam? So remember that one. Generally, guys, when we want to developing the full stack based application, full stack applications, three layers are required. So one is a front end layer, another one is back end layer, and last one is a database layer. Three layers we are learning as. So here the front end related and back end related and database related, guys. All the three layers related we are discussing. So front end nothing but presentation presentation logics, guys. Here we are going to developing the presentation logics. So if we want to developing the presentation logics, so UI technologies we require to learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Okay, simply like these things. So many are there. Minimum you have to know about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So the people who are learning about only UI technologies, they are going to developing the presentation logics of our application, and we are calling them as a front-end developer, guys. We are calling them as a front-end developer, front-end developer, simply. And next here, server-side logics are business logics, guys. Business logics. If we want to developing for our application, then we can call them as a full stack. I mean, back-end developer, guys. Here we are calling as a back-end developer. So backend developers must be required to learn about any one language. So here we're going to learn about the Python language and it's a framework. It's a framework, guys. For example, Django, Flask, like so many are there. Any one framework. Any one language, Python language, Java language, .NET language, like several languages we have. Any one language you can learn, and that language related framework can learn, and you can developing the business logics of our application. Simply also called as server side logics. Okay, then the person who is responsible to developing the server side logics of our application, we can call them as backend developer. And next, database related, guys. Database related logics. If we want to developing, we must be required to learn about any one database related knowledge, MySQL, MongoDB, like several databases there. So who is responsible to developing these all database related logics? We can call them as simply DB developer. DB developer, guys. Understanding? So for a full stack application, you have to developing these all three things, guys. These all three things. Front end development, back end development, database development, all the three things, if we are able to developing, then we can call them as a full stack developer. We can call them as full stack developer. So full stack developer, guys. Using Python related, if you are developing server side logic, then Python full stack developer we are calling. Using Java, if you are developing these all server side logics, guys, so then Java full stack developer we are calling. And using .NET, if you are developing .NET full stack developer, we are calling. Like that, different full stack developments there is. Python full stack, Java full stack, .NET full stack, Mern stack, Mean stack, like several things there. Understanding? So here, if you want to becoming like a full stack developer, then you can choose this Python language course, and later it's a framework, guys. Okay, and forget about this framework and this all presentation logic and this all database logics. First of all, so if you want to learn any one language, so you can choose which one is a better language, and nowadays which language is a better language, and the industry people giving high priority to which language, and what are the benefits using that language. These all things we have to focus. So no doubt at all, guys. Python language having more demanding nowadays in the industry. Python language having more demanding. Why it is having demanding? What are the features providing by this Python? What are the advantages are there using the Python? These all things one by one we'll learn. Okay. So myself, guys, I'm starting number of times full stack development related courses. That time, these all things I'm going to teaching. Okay. Along with these all things, some real time tools also teaching for testing our coding and testing our APIs related, and a lot of tools there, guys. Exchanging the code with other colleagues. Related SVN, I mean GitHub, like several code hosting platform there. We are going to discussing about these all things. Okay, no? So here today we are starting about this Python language. This is a free course, guys. This is a free course. Okay, na? So in this course, in this free sessions, what are the topics we are going to discussing? How many days we are discussing? That is now we'll focus it. So simply here the duration of the course, guys. Duration of the course 40 40 working sessions, guys. Okay, simply 40 days I'm writing. So 40 working sessions we are planning about this Python. Within these days we will complete about the Python language related core concepts and advanced topics also. Both together we will complete it, guys, within 40 days working sessions. And the time, class timing 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m., guys. So 6 to 7 regularly will connect maximum 6 to 7 p.m. and later I will interact with you for your doubt clarification. Okay, maximum before 7:30 only going to close the session. Understanding? So you can consider like 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 7:30 p.m. 6 to 7:30 p.m. 1.5 hour session, our regular session. So including this 1.5 hour session, now you'll get a doubt clarification also. End of the session, I will interact with you and I'll clarify all your doubts for that particular class related or previous class related and all. Understanding? And about the trainer information, guys. About the trainer information, simply I'll give you here. So I have 10 plus years of experience, and my name is Jayesh Rao, and I'm working currently as a senior Python full stack developer. Senior Python full stack developer, guys. So uh, from last 10 years onwards, I took number of Python full stack development batches, and only Python language related, only Django framework related, only UI technologies related. REST API related, different batches I'm teaching, and the full stack batches also I'm teaching, guys. Understanding? So if you are joining for Python full stack development course, so every day one topic we are discussing, the topic related everything you will get material and all. And end of the days by merging all the topics from real time projects also we are going to do like attendance management, employee management system related, or social media blogs kind of applications. Okay, different applications there, guys. We'll develop those all things. Understanding? Session, what are the advantages with you guys? So we have a Asok IT portal, guys. We have our Asok IT online portal. So there I will upload it. There I will upload it. Then you people will receive the materials every day. Okay, class soft copy material topic wise. Today, whatever the topic we are discussing, the topic related material you people will receive it. Before coming to the next session, you have to download that material. You have to read that, do practice that one. If you are having any doubts and next session, you can raise it. Understanding? And in our regular class, what are the programs we are doing practice? Topic wise, we are going to do number of programs. So those all programming related coding also I will share with you guys. And the live classes discussing already recorded videos I'm not sharing. So daily classes, live classes only discussing guys. And in the class only, your doubts related also I'll discuss. End of the session directly I will interact with you every day. And in the middle only, if you are getting doubt, in the chat box you can post your question and I'll give you the replies for that. Okay, no? And also assignments, I will share it, guys. So topics related assignments I will share to you. When you are attending these all assignments related, then you'll get a lot of confident, guys. And whenever I'm sharing the assignments related, if you are unable to solve any assignment, you can let me know. I'll clarify it. And topic wise, what are the topics we are discussing? Topic wise interview questions related also I will share with you guys. For example, today one particular topic we are discussing, that topic related nearly 20 questions I'll share with you. Then if you are able to give the answers for all these 20 questions, then the topic related a full clarification you're going to get it. Understanding? So soft copy material I'll share with you, programming code I'll share with you, live classes discussing, assignments sharing to you, interview questions also sharing to you guys. And MCQs questions also created, MCQs questions, topic related like online exam. Okay. So like that, the question and four answers are there. So which is the correct answer you have to select it. After learning one particular topic, the topic related MCQs, if you are attending, then are you understanding the topic or not? You will understand it. Okay, no? So remember these all things. And about my experience, I explained, guys. And this is a free course only. Okay, no? Free course, guys. Free course. No need to pay any single rupee for this session. Free course only. So you have to spend 40 days duration. Okay, for attending this session, 40 days regularly you have to attend, guys. So sometimes employees joining also this class and the students also joining these all classes. So due to your exams or due to some functions or some other works, people missing these sessions. So if you want a backup videos, if you want a backup videos, guys, so you will also receive those backup videos. But backup videos only registered students getting, guys. Okay, na? Only registered students will get the backup videos. For that registration, 999 rupees we are charging, guys. Okay, registered people, class related daily recording links, you will get it directly to you. Class recording links sharing to you guys. So in our Ashok IT portal, all the recordings are loading, and that recording related link sharing to you. 1 year accessibility is there. 1 year time, n number of times you can watch these all videos, guys. So even some classes you are missing also, no problem, you can watch these backup videos. Okay, so only if you want a backup videos, then you have to register with the 999 rupees, guys. Okay, na? So 999 rupees, INR rupees, guys. If you don't want backup videos, then no need to pay any amount. Okay, directly you can join regular session and you can attend. That's your wish. Got it, this one? And for registered people, guys, separate WhatsApp groups creating, separate WhatsApp group creating. There all registered people can discussing each other for doubt clarification related also. And myself also will join into that group. And when you are doing practice, if you are getting any doubts related, you can paste there. Okay, you can post your doubts there and I'll clarify, or else other team members also, our group members, other group members also will share to you what is the mistake there in your code like that. Okay, no? And for these free batch sessions also, one WhatsApp group creating, our class related all updates sharing with you guys. And in this free session related WhatsApp group, so you people are unable to post it. Okay, why means for security revision management people, disabling the posting in that group. Otherwise, it giving for all people messages posting option. So a lot of people posting cricket information. For example, right now IPL matches going on. Okay, just last day only completed. So every day, cricket match related live updates posting in that WhatsApp group, or political issues posting, religious issues posting there. So because of that, a lot of disturbances coming in that group. Understanding? So that's why only management people will give you update about our session or new Python session related or Django session related like that in that WhatsApp group. And only for registered people, separate WhatsApp group creating there. You people also will post messages. Okay, so registered people, for registered people, if we are giving a posting options and all, if you are doing any some illegal activities in that group, so management people observing, okay, who is doing that activity and all, will take some action on you. Understand this one? So try to understand, guys, for open groups, WhatsApp or public groups. So if giving permission to all the members, lot of disturbances coming. Okay, sometimes some illegal activities also going on in that group. So that's why blocking messages to all the members. Okay, remember that one. Backup videos related only, you have to pay 999 rupees. 1 year time accessibility is there. Remember that if you don't want the backup videos, no need to pay. Directly you can join, guys. Okay, no? So later session, I'll share one WhatsApp group. I'll share one YouTube link, guys. I will share one YouTube link. So by following that link with the 2 minutes or 3 minutes only there, how you are able to accessing the material for this session, how you are going to registering all the information you will get there, guys. All the information you will get in there. So simply Asok IT online portal is there here. Asok IT online portal. AsokIT.in like online portal is there. So here log out. So first time, guys, here you're going to click this login button. So here the email password and asking. So first time, if you don't have email password, and create a new account. By clicking here, you can register your name, your email, your gender, your country code. Okay, all you are selecting and mobile number you are entering, WhatsApp number, and then you're going to click the register. After registration completing, then you can log in with that information, guys. So after login, yeah, after login, so the left side, guys, some links displaying to you, some links are displaying to you. So they're registering for Python course like that. Okay, registering courses or course registration like link there. Click on that. So Python course registration, Java course registration, .NET course registration, like some links displaying, and click on that Python course registration. There uh, your details displaying, and you are registered for free session or backup video session, asking one option. So if you want a free session, no, you can select. If you want a backup videos, yes, you can select yes or no options there. So if you are selecting yes, 999 rupees payment asking. If you are selecting no, zero payment showing to you, and you can make it registration. That's it. Okay, for that one video link also I'll share to you. Follow that one. Understanding? Yes, guys. And this is a free session, guys. If you are joining for the full stack session or directly full stack batches, Python with some other courses or data science related, different popular courses there. So if you are joining for them, then placements assistance also there, guys. 100% placement assistance is there. Okay, conducting some exams in middle of the classes, middle of the course duration, and based on your performance, based on your attendance, regularly you are attending or not, everything observing, and based on your score, guys, I mean your attendance and exam mock interviews conducting. So based on these all things, your profile sharing to the our clients. So Ashok IT tie up with some clients. So then sharing to them. Okay, then they are conducting the interviews. Example, recently our Java full stack students, okay, selecting these all people selecting recently only within month this month May month only selecting these all people. One of our clients hiring these all people, guys, with some good packages. Okay, na? So for free sessions, this placements, assistancy, and certification. So these all things not providing. If you want a certification, course certification, and placements, assistancy, and all, you can make it a registration, guys. Then management people focusing on you for registered people about the certifications and all. Okay, na? All of you understanding, guys? So these all things in the WhatsApp group also, you people will get it. Those all information where you will get the registrations and all. So our office team people will post links in the chatting group. Whenever they're posting, you can click on that links, guys. Okay, now. So coming to our course. About this course advantages and duration, about my experience, and registered people what getting separately, only paid people what getting. So registered people along with these all things, guys, these all informations also getting. Okay, remember that one. And now topic was we are going to discussing. So in this course, what we are going to discussing, and so these all topics we are going to discussing as. So here modules wise, I'm dividing our course related information. So first module Python introduction related here. Who can learn the Python? What are the advantages of learning Python? Why Python is having demand in the IT industry? Okay, about Python history, who created, when created, why created, like history important. Python futures. What are the futures providing by this Python? Because of these Python futures, this Python language getting demanding nowadays. So about those all futures with information we'll discuss. Python downloading, installation, and Python path setup, and using Python first program, how we are developing, how we are executing. These all basic things you're going to get in this first module. Okay, and after that Python basic concepts there, guys. In every language, Java, .NET, Python, whatever the language you are learning, C language, anything, in every language these all concepts commonly there. Language to language, the coding syntaxes are changing, guys. So Python related keywords. So what is keyword? How many keywords there? About each keyword like that. Okay. Python keywords concept. Comments in every language. Comments there. What is comments? How many types of comments there? Like this all we are going to discussing about the quotations related, indentations related, identifier and identifier rules, variables and variables related rules. Some practical examples on variables, identifiers, keywords, comments like that, and how reading the data from the user. Okay, about the input function behavior and some data types there in Python. So about the data types and the data type conversions, so one type into another type, how we are converting as per the requirement. Typecasting functions there, operators there. We have a different types of operators, guys. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, membership operator, identity operator, like several there. So simply Python operators is one concept. So like these all basic things we are going to discussing. So here all the Python related core fundamentals related logics you're going to get concepts information you're going to get it. And later about the Python variables and data types related more clearly we are going to discussing. So we have a several data types in Python, some important data types related more clearly we are going to discussing about single, tuple, list, set, dictionaries. These all we are going to discussing. Every topic again one day we are discussing. In every topic, number of methods there. Every method behavior is what is the purpose of that method, how we are writing the logics using those all methods. So separately we are going to discussing here hundreds of methods. I will explain it, guys, about these all data types related. Okay. And next, controlling statements. In every language, controlling statements concepts also there. In Python, how many controlling concepts there, how we are creating. Simply for loops related, while loops related, conditions like if, else, so many are there. These all things we are going to discuss in. And later, functions. This is a separate chapter. Python functions, different types of functions there, how to creating function. Okay, different types of variables there in the functions, global variables, local variables, scope conversions, so like so many topics there. So completely functions related, normal functions, lambda functions, generator functions, so like different types of functions there. We'll discuss about the functions clearly. And later, Python modules. Each one separate topic is a separate chapter. For simplification related, these are three chapters. Okay, like one module I given. So Python functions later we will discuss some days. About Python modules we will discuss. So Python modules very important topic, guys. So because of the Python modules, Python getting more demanding nowadays. So about these things solely we'll discuss. And next about the Python packages. So these are like one family, guys. These are like one family. So functions, modules, packages. These all we are going to discuss. Okay, no? And next, Python based file handling concept. Python with the files, different types of files we have. JSON files, Excel files, CSV files, comma separating values related CSV files, text files, PDF files, like several types of files there. Python with the file handling, different files how we are handling. So more clearly we will discuss this. So these all topics can consider like core Python. Core Python knowledge is a very, very, very important. Any language you can learn, Java, Python, .NET, core concepts are more important, guys. So if you are doing more practice on core concepts, you will get more interest on the advanced topics when you are learning guys. Okay, na? So all these core concepts related clearly we'll discuss. And next coming to the advanced concepts, Python with exceptions, guys. So when we are doing practice, when we are writing the coding, some errors we are getting, some exceptions we are getting. Those exceptions, how we are handling, how getting exceptions, what are the exception handling keywords there. These all things more clearly we are going to discuss it. Okay, now? So Python with exception handling we are discussing. Python OOPS concept, object-oriented programming language related, we are going to discussing. So here the OOPS principles are there, guys, like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. These all topics more clearly we'll discuss, including with examples. And about the class, about the object, method, constructors, different types of variables there. This all we'll discuss. It's a big chapter, guys. Nearly 1 week to 10 days. So we are spending for only this chapter. Okay, 10 days time we are spending for only this topic. Okay, and later Python with the database communication. Python with the database communication purpose. What we are doing, what are the modules we are installing, how we are interacting to MySQL, how we are interacting to Mongo or Oracle. So this all we will discuss. And MySQL related SQL queries, database related queries, how to getting data, how to creating, how to updating, how to deleting. Okay, like all MySQL related, I'll discuss with you guys, and I'll share the MySQL related material also for learning purpose. Understanding MySQL software, how downloading, how installing, real-time GUI tool for MySQL. MySQL workbench is there. About the workbench, how installing that workbench, how using that workbench. These all things I'll let you know. Okay. And next, okay, these all are some basic concepts, guys. And nowadays, advanced topics related pandas module, numpy module, request module, like some modules are getting more demanding, AI related. Python with AI related, pandas module, numpy modules are having more demanding. So I will teach those modules also here. If you are a fresher, guys, in your resume, pandas module, numpy module, also if you are adding in your resume is getting more priority, more weightage will get. And the companies people also focusing on you if you know pandas and numpy, web scraping related, some other popular modules. So here in these free sessions, pandas module and numpy module related, I'll discuss here. So many topics I'll discuss with the numpy related, okay, and with pandas related. And again, pandas module, using pandas module, how we are interacting to different types of files like a JSON file, Excel file, CSV file. These all things also I'll discuss. Separately, Python with the CSV file, we can communicate using CSV based module. Python with the JSON files, we can interact using JSON module. Okay, Python with Excel files, we can interact using Excel related modules. So instead of using those specific modules, using pandas module also we can interact. This all more easily we can do using pandas module, interacting to JSON files, CSV files, Excel files. That easily we can interact. We can read the data. We can create the data in those files. Okay, these all advanced things I'll discuss with you guys, and the beautiful materials I will share with you. Okay, easily will understanding by reading those materials, and the same like NumPy modules related also. And next interview based questions and answers I'll discuss with you. MCQs I will share with you, and assignments I will share with you guys. So this is about this free session planning. All of it clear? So in this free course session, I'm going to discussing with these all things. And one more point, remember guys, one more point. So here, so for example, this is a course Python related guys, Python language related we are discussing. So in this Python language, what are the topics I'm discussing guys? What are the topics I'm discussing? These all topics are common to learning other courses guys, common to learning some other courses. So we have so many popular courses guys. For example here, so DS means data science guys, data science. data science, artificial intelligence related AI modules. AI, we are calling artificial intelligence, machine learning related, web development related, web development. Okay, and DevOps related guys. Okay, na DevOps related, and automation testing, automation Selenium automation testing related. So many courses there, gaming related, animations related. Nowadays, gaming animations are more popularity there. Okay, na? So for learning these all courses, so what are the common things required? This all you're going to get in this course, guys. All of you understanding? So these all separate courses, data science, more popular course, artificial intelligence, some more popular course, machine learning, web development, DevOps, automation testing, gaming applications, okay, cyber security, more popular thing nowadays. Cyber security, guys. Cyber security kind of course. These all courses, if you want to learn, this Python language must be required. Python language related concepts you have to understand, then you can join these all courses. For example, if you are joining directly data science or directly AI related or directly cyber security, okay, or directly web development related, so your faculties who are teaching these data science or web development or DevOps or cyber security like this all, so they are going to directly using this Python language related concepts. They are going to using those concepts in these courses, and these courses related new topics what are there, they are going to explaining them. So if you are joining directly for these courses, so here for example for loops, while loops they are using, how to creating for loop, how to creating while loop, what is the purpose of for loop, while loop, those all you are going to get here practice. Then those all concepts you can use in these courses. So directly if you are joining for these courses, getting confusions. We are having more coding skills, okay. Otherwise, a lot of confusions coming. What are the data type there? What are the controlling statement there? What are the keywords there? What is keyword? What is identifier? Like this, all you are going to get here. Okay, now. So remember, in this free course session, I'm going to teaching about this Python language with required chapters. Okay, now. So later, separately, you have to learn these courses, guys. The people who are having interest with the data science related, or else in your career, if you want to settle as a AI developer or data science engineer or web developer, like if you are deciding, then the particular course you can choose. So myself, guys, my role is a Python full stack developer. My role is Python full stack developer. Okay, na? So Python with this web development related, I'll take care. Python with web development for developing these web applications. For developing these web applications, so Django course. Okay, a lot of courses there, guys. Flask. Okay, Flask course, Django course, and Teak Inter module. So Teak Inter module. So like several things there. Using Flask or using Django, using Teak Inter, we can develop the web application. So 80 to 90% of the projects are developing using Django only. Python with Django, 80 to 90% of the web development applications developing. Web development applications means like Amazon applications, Swiggy, Zomato, BookMyShow, YouTube, Facebook. These all are web applications. These kind of web applications, if we want to developing this Django framework, we are going to learn. For example, YouTube application, more popular application, guys. Instagram application, more popular application. Python with Django, Python with Django used and developed this Instagram application and YouTube application. Okay, so many popular applications there, web applications related. So a lot of applications Python with Django developed. So the people who are joining for the full stack development related, those all people will get knowledge about the Django framework. So right now, forget about these all things. So focus on this course. Okay, in this 40-day session, so you will get knowledge related to these things. And later you can decide you want to becoming like AI engineer or data science engineer or web developer like that, you can decide that particular course related, you can learn it. All of you understanding guys what I'm telling? Okay. Yes, guys. Data analysis also separate course. After learning the Python with data analysis, you can learn. So you can settle in your career as a data analysis developer. Okay, na? So data scientist, data analysis developer, data AI developer, cyber security engineer. These all some popular courses nowadays. So for learning these all courses, Python is common language. That's why nowadays Python is considering like a general purpose programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. Why Python is called as a general purpose programming language? Means because of learning these all courses, Python is a common thing, basic thing. Okay, so that's why people are focusing on this one. Natarajan, you don't worry about that online payment related. Okay, 999 rupees enough for this session. Okay, not 2000 rupees. Okay, I'll let you know those all things. Okay. So let's see here every day like this topic wise we are going to discussing who can learn the Python. Okay, why Python having more demanding in the IT industry. Okay, Python futures. So a lot of information I'll say. So these all topics related materials you people will receive in the WhatsApp group. I mean in Asok IT portal. So we have Asok IT portal, online portal we have guys. So there you can receive it. For example here I will register guys. So here there are so many courses there. For example, here, so I'll open one thing. So here you will receive guys every day. I will post here. Okay, topic wise the Python with the JSON file concept, Python with the JSON concept interview questions like that. And here the download option there. You can click on this. So you will download. And I'm telling one point, guys. Every day, whatever the materials, whatever the programs, whatever the interview questions related PDFs I'm sharing with you, download and save in your laptop. Create one folder, Python interview questions, Python programs, Python materials like that. So save there. And after completing some sessions, again, don't ask me. Okay, hundreds of people joining guys sessions every day. I'm getting hundreds of messages. Sir, please say to me materials. Please say to me programs like that. Number of people sending messages, and some people the batch timing also they are not posting directly. Send material like that. Sending messages. So which batch related? I have different sessions, guys. 6 p.m., 7:30, early morning 7, like different sessions I have. So which batch related you are asking? I don't know. I'm unable to get in confusion. Okay, na? So that's why every day after posting, you have to download and save in your location.
Nida.
Yes, guys. These soft copies are free. Okay, na? Only backup videos related and a separate WhatsApp group for registered people creating their doubt clarification related discussing. I will also join into that group. Okay, when you are doing practice, you will get the doubts related information. Okay, na? And in that registered group, when companies are coming placements related, also updating to you guys. Understanding? Yes, guys, definitely in this course, guys, within these 40 days, okay, before completing these 40-day sessions, so you are going to develop in the those logics, programming logics. You are only going to developing, for example, school management related. Okay, school management related project if you are taking. So in the school management, students there, teachers there, courses there, different students related code operation, creating the students, updating the student, deleting the student, getting all available students information. Same like teacher related, course related also. When coming to the teacher, so students information there guys here, teachers information, teacher name, this teacher teaching which course, course information maintaining here. And in this course related, course name is what, this course teaching by which teacher. Okay, these all like informations we are maintaining, and total CUD operations we can do, create, update. read, delete kind of things. Okay, so one project will do within this course, guys. So when you're learning advanced, I mean, I said already, Python with different courses. So if you are learning these different courses related, so then you are going to developing more beautiful applications. For example, web development related Django course you are learning here, Django. Python with Django if you are learning, so more beautiful applications you can develop, real-time kind of applications. Registrations, logins, logouts, profiles updating in our WhatsApp or Facebook. Every day we are doing registrations, guys. Logins we are doing, home pages we are seeing. Without login, we are unable to see the Facebook home page. So without login, when sending Facebook home page request, then redirecting to login page. So if you want to login, first of all, you have to do registration. So these all kind of things in Django framework, you people are going to get it. So you have to learn any one other course, guys, along with this Python course. Remember that one. Only with this one, you are not going to develop in the real-time programs. So only with this Python course. Along with this Python course, you have to learn any one of the course. Hundreds of courses there. Python-based number of courses there, popular courses. Any one course you have to choose it. So first you can decide you want to settle in your career as a AI engineer or as a data science engineer or as a web developer like that, you can decide and choose that particular course. I'll have you clear this one. So 6 p.m. to 7:30, guys, after some sessions completing up to 7:30, I mean 7:15 like that, I'll discuss and I'll interact with you. So initial days, 1 hour session enough. Okay, 6 to 7, 1 hour session enough. And certification related for registered people giving, guys. Okay, for registered people certification giving by management. And for free session, so just you can join the classes and you can listen the classes and you can get the material and do practice. That's it. Okay, now? Yes. So here I'm not discussing Python related any topics here today, just basic things about this course duration and planning related audio I discussed, guys. And later slowly we can discuss. Simply here, who can learn, who can learn Python means any graduate students can learn, guys. For example, IT students, BTech, in BTech different streams there, IT, CSC, mechanical, civil, EC, like different streams there, guys. So some people thinking like I'm belongs to mechanical, I'm belongs to civil, maybe I'm unable to learn these software courses later like that. No worries about that. So all BTech people, any stream you are learning, no problem. So all the people can join the this Python course, can learn more easily. Compared to other languages like Java, .NET, the Python language, reading, okay, learning and I mean reading and creating the logics is more easy, guys. So easily you can understand the concept, easily you're going to write the coding. So in Java, 100 lines code if you're writing for one task, so same task related in Python, within 20 lines we can complete, within 20 lines. Number of lines of code reducing, lot of benefits we have, guys. So that's why any graduate students can learn. Okay, nowadays, the people who are pursuing BTech or degree or MCA, even 12th standard students also, is CBS kind, CBS syllabus related students also nowadays learning this Python because of this Python popularity. So why Python having getting popularity, I will discuss separately. Okay, na? So anyone can learn without having any prior coding knowledge. So even though you don't have any coding knowledge, directly you can join this Python and you can get knowledge, guys. With the zero knowledge you can join and you can get more knowledge and you are only going to create the programs based on the requirement, based on the requirement, guys. Okay, so lot of task related we are going to discussing. So before that, first of all, Python related topics you have to understand, concepts you have to understand. For example, sometimes asking, so read two numbers from the user and find the sum of them or subtraction of them or multiplication of them, like asking how we are reading inputs from the user, how we are performing. addition or subtraction, how we are return that result. These all things, point by point, we are going to discussing and going to developing. Okay, so from the user guys, from the screen, number of multiple numbers we can accept guys, multiple numbers there. Out of these all numbers, which one is the biggest number, which one is the smallest number, or else all these numbers related sum is what. So which one is the second maximum number, which one is the second least number, like tasks they are asking about that, we are writing the logics. So how writing will understand after learning some concepts. So why Python having more demand in the IT industry? What are the Python futures? These topics tomorrow onwards will continue, guys. Okay, Python language related main class from tomorrow onwards will continue. So today only course related information only I explain, and one point who can learn means anybody can learn. If you are having certification as a BTech or IT or degree certification, if you are having, that is important for enter into the company. Certification important. Okay, and this knowledge, Python related course knowledge, easily you can do it. You can learn it. Okay, so remember that one. I'll stop this session here and I'll interact with you. If you are having any queries, you can let me know, guys. Just wait.